Kate joins us now with more on your forecast. We had a little snow today. And you want to say a couple more rounds to go?
Couple more rounds to go, but nothing that looks all that big.
Good.
Although we're going to have to keep an eye on the system for Super Bowl Sunday, especially South Jersey and Delaware could be another one of those shore specials, but it's still many days away, so we'll have to keep a close eye on that. But first, let's get through this one, which is still ongoing, and another system to get through by Friday. But this one, that one looks like mainly rain, as I'll show you in just a moment. We'll start off with a live look at what's going on outside today. Our CBS 3 mobile weather watcher is out on the roads. This is 55 southbound, right around Vineland, and you can see the snow is still coming down. He's got the windshield wipers going, but the roads are looking okay, and that has been really the key today. It's been so warm. It was so mild over the weekend. We were in the 60s earlier this week that most of the snow just melted on the roads, and that kept especially the main roads looking just wet today. A lot of that snow melted on contact, just a coating on the grass, but you can see that fresh new coating of white on the shoulder there on 55. I want to take you down also a look outside into Center City on our Skycam 3, looking toward the Art Museum, and they've got their Eagles Pride displayed proudly on the front of that iconic building. Go Eagles, and the flags flying briskly because the wind has picked up as well behind this system. A lot of cold air diving in. It's just cloudy down at the Boardwalk Plaza in Rehoboth Beach, an area that got a decent amount of snow last night and this morning, at least falling from the sky, snow mixing with rain. But as you can see, not much in the way of accumulation there. Anything that fell pretty much just melted on contact. So now we're just dealing with a little lingering snow across South Jersey and portions of Delaware. Not really snowing near Rehoboth, but some steadier snow still falling over portions of Atlantic County right now into Burlington County. But this is all moving pretty quickly out of the picture, still slowing down the commute in many spots throughout the shore communities here for tonight. Temperatures right now are cold. We're sub-freezing all across the region, many spots in the 20s already. We've got that brisk wind from the north and west. Temperatures have dropped almost 15 degrees since this time yesterday, so much colder air has moved in the wake of this storm. And we're going to be talking about clearing skies and cold temperatures overnight. So the snow ends by about 7 o'clock. Skies clear quickly, but gusty winds persist. Single-digit wind chills in many spots overnight as we drop down to a low of 20. It may feel as cold as 8 or 9 early tomorrow morning. For you Wednesday, mostly sunny, chilly though, high only 37. And then as we head through the end of the week, here's our next system. Thursday night, this starts as a little bit of rain, and then as colder air comes in, it may end as a brief period of snow. This is Friday morning at 9 o'clock. Not looking at a lot of accumulation with this system, but it could bring a slow commute. And then we focus on Super Bowl Sunday. This system brings the chance for a little snow Sunday afternoon, especially south and east. This is still a ways out. We'll give you a closer look at that as we head through the end of the week. It's the same system, by the way, that could bring some snow to Minneapolis. Light snow on Saturday for Super Bowl weekend in Minneapolis. It's just cold. 2 rounds of polar air. The first one Friday, the second one Sunday. Light snow Saturday. Kickoff temperature likely near 0 in Minneapolis outside the dome. So your Eyewitness Weather 7-day forecast. Cold tomorrow, but dry. Thursday night into Friday, we get that wintry mix. Friday could start with some snow. Saturday's cold, and then another chance of rain and or snow late Sunday into Monday. So hopefully you have a nice warm fireplace to sit in front of and watch the Eagles game as some snow potentially falls outside.
Yeah. Some green fuzzy socks. That's how I do.
That does sound fantastic.
What, you saw my pictures of me in my fuzzy socks?
Well, I wasn't going to mention it, but yeah.
I thought I burned those. Okay.
We have that in common.
Thanks, Kate.
In our next